标准，标准，
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, mom told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Freaky little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss when and bought me a chopper, so I'ma need more round. Try to sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour up ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell my soap, sell anything, I need to slow down.
What up, everybody, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Court, aka YK Slim. Back at y'all with another video, man. Today, I know y'all saw the thumbnail, man, but today, man, I'm doing a video, man, from putting my floor mats in. I've been having my floor mats for a while now, but I'm gonna put my floor mats in from this company called Manicci. Very good company, man. So yeah, man, they sent me these floor mats, and I'm going to install them today. So floor mats have already been worn, man. I've been wearing them for a while now, so kind of happy I got them actually. And I'm going to show them to y'all, man. Let y'all see them, man. Let me know what y'all think about the floor mats. I like the floor mat. I did something a little different. I know most people that get them, man, they get the red floor mats. I mean, everybody want the red interior, man. Like, who doesn't? But yeah, but me, I went a little different with mine, man. So I'm going to let y'all see them right now before I try to put them in. So yeah. Try to see them, man. We're talking about how nasty my trunk is. Yeah, that's what they look like, man. So as you see, man, the mats are very, very thick. Mats are very thick, man. So yeah, that's one reason why I wanted them, man. Not only because how they look, but the quality of the mats, man. They're gonna last very long. Ain't like these regular floor mats that you had to use and end up throwing them away because you gotta get some more. And they cover like the whole floor. So that's one big reason why I wanted them mats, man. But I'm finna try to clean the car up for a minute, man. I'll be back, man. Let y'all see the rest of it. Yeah, man. So here go the floor mat. I just got them laid out right now, man. They go on the passenger. I'm at the passenger side, driver side. They go in the back. Like I said, man, company is Manicci. Yeah, man, so y'all go hit them up, man. Go to their channel. Go subscribe, man. You like, go get your order from them, man. You want a discount, man. I got like a 15% discount, man. Just use YK Slam. Y'all already know the promo code, man. So yeah, man, let me go ahead and try to put them in right quick. Let y'all see how they look. And like, y'all know y'all see these buttons on them, man, but they're not buttons. They got these like these little tabs that you just slide in, man. So you ain't gotta worry about, you know, like, and they got the little Velcro strap, man. So yeah, I think it's a good idea. I think it's a good product, man. I know y'all, if y'all can see how thick it is, you know what I'm saying? Very good product, man. So far anyway. Like I was saying about the tabs, that's what make it so good, man. Very easy to install, man. Just push the tab up and like just slide the mat up in there, man. Very, very easy, man. I also like that they put the Velcro strap in there so it make it stick. And I think they're gonna look good, man. I think they're gonna look very good.
I came to win. I did not come to lose. Ready for the race, I done bought some new shoes. Don't care what they do, better watch these moves. Ice on me, got too many jewels. I'ma just do me, don't care what they do. Wrist so icy, must be the flu. Know I gotta eat, gotta get me some food. No menu, and the cuts them all getting tired of being you.
Running up a check, now I need some new shoes. Bitch, I been in my bag, I don't care what you do. You ain't talking my money, I wanna talk to you. You ain't talking my money, you ain't talking my name. Bitch, I been in my bag, I ain't care my name. I'm a real life nigga on the block, ain't stank. Got goons on me.
Young nigga get it running, cause my nigga be coming. Coming through the money, gotta count them hunters. Way too lit, too high like summers. One kid shit, boy, you should've been a plumber. Say they going dumb, but a young nigga don't. Smoking all loud shit, hit like thunder. I'ma dig up in the hole, tryna make me a ton. Now my nigga getting money like we came from a corner. I'm grade A, know a nigga had honors. Can't trust them cause they ain't honest. I'ma wrap it up, boy, should've been a month. I ain't said what I go, but I feel like young money. Get kid flip like skateboard, why I ain't feeling major like sunny. Run on the money, and shit keep coming on, nigga be thumbing. Gotta get the money like Tuesday. I don't care what she say. I'm running like a tree. I came to win. I did not come to lose. Ready for the race, I done bought some new shoes. Don't care what they do, better watch these moves. Ice on me, got too many jewels. I'ma just do me, don't care what they do. Wrist so icy, mud be the flu. Know I gotta eat, gotta get me some food. No menu, had to cut them all, getting tired of being you.
Running up a check, now I need some new shoes. Bitch, I been in my bag, I don't care what you do. You ain't talking my money, I wanna talk to you. You ain't talking my money, you ain't talking my nothing. Bitch, I been in my bag, I ain't care my nothing. I'm a real life nigga on the block, ain't stink. Got goons on go, they'll kill for the night. Got shooters on go, they'll get you for the low. Ain't gon' speak on that. Yeah, I gotta keep it on the low. Where them heaters at? Pull up on your block and let it go. All my niggas on that block, and they think I'm with a pole. They gon' bring them up. Pull up with a chopper, let them go. They gon' run them down. What we look like shooting up a home. I'm no bot that don't call my phone. Really leave me alone. I been counting up the dope. I been running up and get it. I been counting up the riches. I been trying to go and get it. I been thumping, I'ma flip it if a nigga wants to smoke.
Yeah, man, so as y'all can see, man, very easy to install, man. Like I said, they're very easy to install, man. Great product. So yeah, man, the company called Manicci. The link will be in the description, man. Y'all looking to get y'all some of these floor mats. I recommend the floor mats, man. They're very thick, man. Very light. I don't think they'll fade anything like that also either. So man, like I said, man, great quality, man. I give it a thumbs up. Let me know how y'all feel about them or how y'all think they look. I went with the blue, man, because y'all, as y'all know, man, my caliber blue, man, you know. So I probably try to keep the little blue thing. I'm not sure, man. Y'all just stay, man. Keep watching my channel, man. I appreciate everybody who been watching me so far, man. The giveaway will be coming up, man. My first giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers will be coming up. Almost there at that 500 mark. So this your first time to the channel, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for me, man. Thank you, man, for watching this. Like I said, y'all want a discount, man, use my promo code. Everybody already know it, man. It's your first time to the channel, man. The promo code is YKSLIM. So make sure y'all use that, man, to get y'all, you know, a discount, man. Your floor mats, man. Like I said, the link will be in the description, man. And thumbs up, man, to Manicci, man. Appreciate y'all for the floor mats. Want to give y'all a big shout out, man. Give y'all a big thanks. Been wanting these floor mats for a good little minute now, man. So yeah, man, that's it, man. Everybody be blessed. Thanks for watching the video, man.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss, went and bought me a